Hey guys, welcome to Techis Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Instagram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app guys. But before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it helps me a lot. And on this interface of your Instagram app, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon in a circle at the bottom right. Tap on that. And on this interface again, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here tap on account center. And from over here again guys, scroll down to personal details. You can see the personal details over here. Tap on it, and after that, on this interface guys, at the bottom of the screen, you can see account management and control. Tap on account management and control, and on this interface again, tap on deactivation or deletion. And over here tap on your Instagram account. Over here guys, choose or tap on delete account option over here, and again tap on continue. And over here you will be able to choose your reason or why do you want to delete your Instagram account. Tap on, I'll be tapping on something else. You can choose whatever you like according to you. And with that being done, tap on continue. And over here guys, on this step you'll be required to enter the password of your Instagram account, and after that tap on continue, and then your Instagram account will be deleted. It will be deactivated for 30 days but after 30 days your account will be deleted from the Instagram server. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete Instagram's account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.